This is the story of Mountain View Country Club. Beneath the Santa Rosa Mountains in La Quinta, there's a place where community, golf, and luxury living all come together. Welcome to Mountain View Country Club. Our story begins with the stunning natural beauty of the La Quinta Mountains. It began in the early 2000s, transforming open desert into a vision of Mediterranean-inspired homes, sparkling lakes, and an Arnold Palmer signature golf course. Here are some early renderings and photos showcasing the genesis of our community. By 2003, Palmer's course was ready for play, and a new lifestyle had been born. Palmer designed Mountain View with his trademark style: generous fairways, strategic bunkers, and breathtaking mountain backdrops. Each hole a challenge, each round a memory for our golfers. Toll Brothers built 426 luxury homes and 50 condominiums here, each one designed with open spaces and golf or mountain views. See the beautiful homes seamlessly integrated with the golf course, with golf carts making transportation a breeze. Floor plans like the Ventana, Sedona, and Piedra became homeowner favorites, offering diverse luxury living options. But Mountain View is more than golf. At its heart is the clubhouse, a place for dining, fitness, tennis, pickleball, and celebrations. From holiday parties to wine dinners, the clubhouse calendar is always alive with engaging events and activities. Enjoy a range of activities and celebrations, fostering a vibrant community spirit. What sets Mountain View apart is the ethos: luxury without pretension, a true sense of belonging. Here, members say welcome home, and they mean it. Every resident is part of the family. Today, Mountain View is so sought after that the golf membership has a 2.5-year waitlist. But new homeowners don't have to miss out. Social membership grants full access to the clubhouse, spa, courts, fitness, and limited golf rounds while they wait. From its Toll Brothers roots to its Palmer-designed fairways, Mountain View Country Club has become one of La Quinta's premier communities. It's more than a country club. It's a story of vision, community, and home. Mountain View Country Club, La Quinta, California.